Welcome to Dr. Imran's Official. In today's video we will discuss process of childbirth. Childbirth, or labor and delivery, typically involves several stages. Early labor. This is the initial phase where contractions start and the cervix begins to dilate, open, and a face thin out. It can last for hours or even days. Contractions might be irregular and not very intense. Active labor. Contractions become more frequent, stronger, and regular. The cervix dilates from about 4 to 7 centimeters. This phase usually requires more focus and support. Transition. This is the final part of the first stage of labor, where the cervix dilates from 7 to 10 centimeters. Contractions are very intense, and this phase can be the most challenging. Delivery. The second stage of labor involves pushing and delivering the baby. The baby moves through the birth canal and is born. This stage ends when the baby is fully delivered. Placental delivery. After the baby is born, contractions continue to help deliver the placenta, which is the organ that provided nourishment to the baby during pregnancy. Recovery. Post-delivery, the mother's body begins to recover, and the medical team will monitor her and the baby to ensure both are healthy. Throughout the process, healthcare professionals provide support, monitor progress, and assist with pain management and delivery techniques.